Hello, everyone. I am overjoyed today to be making my first Saint Laurent bag unboxing review. Yeah, my very first one. Of course, you know that I am a huge Louis Vuitton fan and collector, and but my wife, of course, she likes a variety of bags. And one of them is Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent, YSL. So let's get to it. Very, very classy black box. Very small. Okay, let's open it up. Got the receipt here. Believe it bought it for 15. It was on sale. But the price was $19.50. I got a little discount. Okay. There's the dust bag. Saint Laurent. Again, of course, YSL or ESL is a major brand, of course, without saying. But I don't really know so much about it. But here it is. Wow, brand new, untouched. Let me just slide it out here if I can. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at that color. Oh, that is nice. So here's the sunset wallet chain mini bag, sunset wallet. With the chain and handle. Wow, look at, that's absolutely gorgeous. Arrows, red. Let's that. The YSL logo intertwined. Very nice. Look at that red. In embossed crocodile calfskin. Okay. Look at the backing there. Let's get this out of the way. Let's see it. It's a very cute wallet bag. Believe it fits your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Should fit it fine. Wow. Okay, let's take this off. Get that out. Let me maneuver into this. Okay, so I have the name. Saint Laurent, Paris, Paris. Let's get the chain out. course, have a variety of compartments. Wow. Okay, here's a card. Bag, of course, made in Italy. Let's see what else is in here. There's another card. Oh, just a zippered compartment right there. Okay. And as I said, you can fit, a very large phone inside. Now, forgive me, but I do not know, about any kind of authentication, measure, like serial numbers or date codes. Of course, with the Louis Vuitton, I am very, very familiar with their date codes. But YSL, I'm completely uneducated about it. But of course, if you buy it straight from the store and with receipt and everything, then of course there's no fear. But only when you buy from secondhand, then you'd worry about authentication. But yes, my wife has been wanting this bag for quite a while. It's very new also. It's very new. Beautiful. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Just a pretty much an everyday bag. And again, it retails for $19.50. It's not bad. See, all I know is the there we have it. Let's check out the chain real quick. So here's the chain, a leather and metal chain. Okay, sorry. Alright, so there we have it, my first YSL or ESL, Yves Saint Laurent Sunset. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.